What is going on, GM fam? I hope your guys' day is going great. I am up in my sister's garage because my brother's Impala is taking up the shop and I have front end parts to be put on, which are right there in the box. So, since she's got a nice concrete floor, nice big garage, I asked her if I could borrow it. So I'm gonna get this jacked up, get that tire pulled off, get all my tools and stuff that I'll hopefully need. Got jack stands, deep well sockets, metric and standard, and then some more standard. So that's gonna be the project for today. Like I said, I'm gonna try and get this wheel pulled off, get the truck jacked up and get everything replaced. What I got is upper control arm. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see up in here, but upper control arm, ball joint, basically everything to replace up there. Starting to get some sloppiness, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I don't know how much footage I'll get because I'll be working in this area. I might try and set you guys up down in like this area so you can kind of get some footage of it, but I apologize if I don't get a whole lot. So I'm gonna shut you guys off real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all situated, get that tire pulled off, and I'll bring you guys back soon.
Ryan Litzel.
Okay, well, as you guys seen from that little last clip, I got the tire off now. So now you can see what we're all gonna replace up in here. Upper control arm will be replaced. I should have bought new shocks, but I completely spaced it. So, new ball joint and everything. So, yeah, it'll be a fun little process. I don't have air power tools because I don't have an air compressor up here, so it'll be fun, but we'll get the job done. Stay tuned, guys. We got pretty much everything tore apart here. I got the new shock put in. Me and cameraman Clayton went to town and bought some. I have replaced the tie rods, inner and outer tie rod yet. I gotta get that broke loose, that inner piece there. I have the new one there, and then whichever one else goes on there. So I'm not sure how to get this like bumper, or not bumper stop, but like I don't even know what you call that, but that piece off there. I got new ones here, but I'm not sure how they actually go on there, so I might just try and get this new upper control arm put on, get these new inner and outer tie rods put on, and then take it somewhere else to get the lower ball joint put in, and then some of the other parts put in. So I'll probably bring you guys back tomorrow or a little bit later tonight once I get some of this other stuff put together. But as of right now, I'm gonna shut you guys off, try and get these new parts put on. The upper control arm, this one's so much nicer. It's a lot heavier. So basically, it's just gonna slide up in here like so, if you guys can see that, like that. And then the bolts that came out of it are grooved on one end. If you can see, it's flat on this side, and then in the hole up here it's slotted, so that's how it would slide in. So that's how that goes in. So I'm gonna try and get this tossed in real quick, and then I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, as you can see, I have tools and stuff everywhere, but we finally got the new upper control arm, the new shock, the new inner and outer tie rod, everything that should be good. I got a lower ball joint for it, and I got another steering component up there. But I checked those. They weren't sloppy yet, so I'm probably just going to hang on to the new parts so when they do go bad. But let me show you how bad this original shock was. Let me set you guys up here real quick. Okay, so as you can see, we have the original shock here. It'd be mounted on the truck like this, just like the other one, as you can see. So let me set you up again real quick to where you can see me. Okay, I got the original shock here. And I'm just going to push it down a little bit. And it should be coming back up. But as you can tell, it's not. So that is how bad the front shocks were on this truck. I'm guessing they were probably the original ones. Probably never been changed. I changed the back ones when I took it over to my auto body class last year, when I changed the upper shock mounts, and then I changed the shocks as well. So that's all been changed. Fuel tank's been changed, fuel lines have been changed. New front components. Rear end has been changed on this truck. This whole rear end is new. It went out on me. So this whole piece, right from that drum all the way to that drum, has been replaced. So the whole rear end. Yeah, so every inch of this truck has been changed. It's got an add-a-leaf, torsion keys up front. Front brakes were done probably a year ago, maybe. But yeah, this truck is going to be basically brand new and ready to go. So hope you guys enjoyed that little video. This project took a little bit longer than I wanted to because I couldn't get the tie rod out, the inner tie rod out from this steering stabilizer bar right here. I literally had to have my uncle and my cousin come up and help me smash it out. We had to get a punch back up in this area where my finger is and basically get that smacked out. But I want to thank you guys for staying tuned, sticking around. I'm going to go ahead and get this tire and everything put back on. If you're a first-time viewer, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification to stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Got a little surprise coming for the 79. I ordered wheels and tires. I will tell you, we went with an 18 by 14 wheel and tire setup. If you think you know or have a guess of what that might be, leave it down in the comments. But that's going to do it for this GM Man production. Stay tuned, guys, for some more awesome content coming. And remember, learning as I do and doing what I love. Peace.